Here's how to convert to MP4 on Windows. I created an app called ConvertSave, and it's an offline file converter. No uploading, no downloading to weird, sketchy websites. So you just click and drag any of your video files into ConvertSave, and you select your output. In this case, we're going to select MP4, and we hit Convert. And it's that easy. Convert, save. Yeah, I was sick of going to those weird websites to do all these different file conversions and having to upload and download and not really know where my files are going to some other server. And so I talked to my brother. He's a software developer. I said, I need to create this app. It's going to convert images, video, and audio on Windows and Mac offline. And I want it to be drag and drop. And so he went and made it, and now we've worked on it a little bit more, and we released it. It's called ConvertSave. And you can find it at convertsave.com, or just click the link in the description or the top pinned comment down below. Yeah, like I said, it converts images. So if you're on Windows and you want to convert those iPhone photos like HEIC or HEIF photos to JPEG, it does that really quickly. Also, if you want to convert audio like to MP3 or video to audio, like MP4 to MP3, ConvertSave works for that too. So we tried to create this sort of, it's becoming this kind of all-in-one. Right now it does media files, images, video, and audio. We'll work on adding document files and stuff too. It does do some like image to PDF conversions right now, but we're trying to work on it even more, and so it's going to improve over and over and over again, and we're hoping to make this all-in-one file converter for you guys on both Windows and Mac that's just really easy to drag and drop files into. Hopefully you guys find it useful and you want to check it out. Convertsave.com or link in the description down below. I appreciate your guys' support, and I'll see you in the next one.